Your first?
Day of school.
Wow, are you excited?
Yeah.
Who's your teacher? You're beautiful. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go get one more picture outside, okay?
Okay.
Aren't you going to smile? Are we getting another picture?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Why are we taking so many pictures?
I forget to smile.
Because you forgot to smile?
Turn around, let me take your back. Turn around. There.
Look at all them curls.
Look at all them curls. Right.
Okay, go jump in the car. Where we at, Anna? School? Who's school? All right. I am. We're almost done taking pictures. Get your hand out of your eye. Look at Mom. What is today?
First day of school.
Awesome. All right. What school are we at? St. Mary's School, and who's your teacher? Okay, look at that face. You're really smiling. Are you excited? Did you see your teacher? You know what she looks like? Huh? Okay.